Countless people struggle to find the right personal injury court to file their cases and get the compensation they deserve. And in this video, we will be walking you through some of the common concerns that personal injury compensation seekers inevitably have. With practical tips and insider knowledge, we're here to offer you all the support you need. What is a personal injury court? As we begin, let us first clarify the meaning of a personal injury court. It's a court that handles cases related to injuries caused by another person's negligence, such as workplace accidents, car accidents, slip and fall accidents, and more. These courts are designed to help you get the compensation you deserve for your pain and suffering, medical bills, lost wages, and other damages. The importance of choosing the right personal injury court. Let's have a closer look at why selecting the appropriate personal injury court is a critical step in your legal journey. Every state has its distinct set of laws and procedures for handling personal injury cases, which means choosing a court that's in the right jurisdiction and has experience dealing with cases similar to yours is paramount. Picking the wrong court could cause significant setbacks in your case, or even worse, lead to a dismissal of your claims. Don't let this happen to you. Make sure you choose the right court to maximize your chances of success. Things to consider when choosing a personal injury court. The legal process can be a bit of a roller coaster with ups and downs and unexpected turns along the way. This is exactly why you should be extra careful when you're going. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate the process. First off, location is key. You want to choose a court that's in the same jurisdiction where the accident occurred. This will make it easier for witnesses to testify and for evidence to be presented. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Next up, experience. Look for a court that has experience handling cases similar to yours. This will ensure that the judge and jury have a good understanding of the legal and factual issues involved. You want a court that knows their stuff and can handle your case with the utmost care. Consider the reputation of the court in the legal community. A court with a good reputation is more likely to be fair and impartial. It's important to choose a court that has the respect of the legal community. Resources matter too. Choose a court that has the resources to handle your case. This includes having enough staff and facilities to accommodate your case. You don't want your case to get lost in the shuffle because the court is overworked and understaffed. Time frame is also a crucial factor to consider. Some courts may have a backlog of cases which could delay your case for months or even years. You want to choose a court that can handle your case in a reasonable time frame so you can get the justice you deserve as soon as possible. And finally, legal fees. Consider the legal fees associated with filing your case in a particular court. Some courts may have higher fees than others. You want to choose a court that fits within your budget and won't break the bank. Common fears and concerns. Picking a personal injury court can feel spooky, especially if you're dealing with injuries and other challenges from the accident. Here are some common ones. The legal system can be a scary place and can leave you lost and uncertain about where to turn. The weight of medical bills can be crushing, especially when it's difficult to work due to injuries sustained from an accident. Lost wages only add to the anxiety and frustration of financial hardship. Insurance companies can be a major headache, throwing lowball settlement offers that don't come close to meeting the needs of those injured. And it's only natural to feel intimidated by the future in such challenging circumstances and feel concerned about your ability to work or live your life as you once did. Additionally, some people may fear retaliation from their employer or the other party involved in the accident, adding to the stress and uncertainty you may be feeling. Not to worry though. With the right guidance and support, you can navigate legal waters with confidence and ease. Okay, now let's get into the practical stuff. If you're looking for the right personal injury court to file your case, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Firstly, you need to understand the jurisdiction and type of personal injury court that is most suitable for your case. Different courts have different requirements and procedures, so it's important to know where to file your case. For example, if you were injured on a cruise ship, you may need to file your case in a federal court, not a state court. Secondly, knowing the rules of the personal injury court can help you be better prepared for your case. If the court has strict deadlines for filing certain documents, make sure you meet them to avoid any negative consequences. Thirdly, understanding the reputation and track record of a personal injury court can help you make informed decisions about whether to pursue your case in that court. If the court has a history of being biased against personal injury plaintiffs, you may want to consider other options. Fourthly, it's helpful to understand the settlement process and options. Some personal injury courts require parties to attempt to settle the case through mediation or arbitration before proceeding to trial. Knowing this information can help you decide whether to pursue a settlement or take the case to trial. Finally, you should know what to expect in terms of legal fees and costs. Some personal injury courts may have different fee structures, such as contingency fees or flat fees, which can affect your financial situation. Understanding the potential costs associated with a personal injury case can help you make informed decisions about whether to pursue your case. Indubitably, navigating the personal injury court system can be a complex and challenging process, but with the right guidance and support, it can be manageable and even rewarding. By understanding the jurisdiction and type of personal injury court, the rules and deadlines, the reputation and track record, the settlement process, and the potential costs associated with a personal injury case, you can be better prepared to pursue your case and potentially receive the compensation you deserve. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. With the help of experienced and empathetic lawyers, you can feel confident and empowered.